So as per Vastu, there are certain remedies that you can keep or do within your space to enhance the energies within a space. So like that, we do have one which is basically an eagle figurine that you can keep, especially in your southwest zone of your space. Before I tell you why eagle, let me tell you what an eagle represents. Now, when you learn and understand in detail the actual attributes of an eagle, eagle is known for its far sight and accuracy and precision and skill. Because if an eagle from the top looks at a food below, even thousands of meters high, it can still come grasp exactly at that particular spot and take its prey. So the accuracy, the skill behind it is what makes the eagle so precious. But why is it relevant to Vastu and why is it used as a remedy in Vastu is our next thing. So if you guys know, just to keep you a little bit into the Hindu mythology, there are 3 gods that are essential in this universe as per the mythology. One is Brahma, the creator, Vishnu being the person who continues or perceives or preserves the universe, and the third one being Shiva, the destroyer. So Garuda, which is basically also the eagle, is one of the most trusted mount and the vehicle of Lord Vishnu. So that is why the eagle basically has a actual eagle body with a human head, and this represents having very sharp skills and showcases its skill, and when applied it is one of the most trusted, very much trusted by Vishnu, Lord Vishnu himself. So that is why having this placed in the zone that is southwest, because southwest is related to skills and relationship, will enhance the energies in that space and help you increase in the sharpness required for you to attain a particular goal.